a beautiful day today, pero medyo windy. Guys, not fighting. Medyo windy, kaya giniginawa ko. Bear, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Come on. John. John, you know. John. Good boy here next to me. So good boy. I have a good boy next to me. Come here. There. Come on, ready? Sit. Sit first.
Can I do it?
Beautiful. Got it! Winner! Who's your winner? Okay, you have to put it down first, Bear, so we can play. Put it down. Put it down. No, John, stay away from him, please. He's getting
No,
mad.
he just wants to play.
Put it down, Bear. John, put your hands away from it, please.
Because I was going to freeze.
Bear, you silly dog. John, I told you, go get the mat. Come on. Get the mat, John. What else? I'm not so sure.
No, I'm having pizza.
Okay, guys. What we're gonna do? What we're gonna do? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there's no.
Go! Who's gonna win? Who's gonna be the first? Who's gonna be the first? Oh, Madison's the first. Bear's the second, and Bear's the third.
Bear! Mountain won before. Bear had a head start. Mountain had a head start. I didn't.
John, go get the mat. It's in the garage. Go grab it.
No!
Round. Come on now.
Again.
What are you doing, John?
I don't know.
Who's gonna be the first?
Man, the teacher.
Bear.
The teacher. I'm not a teacher.
No way. Who's cheetah? Bear, come here. Bear, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Give me that. Nasa labas lang kami ngayon dahil mainit, pero sabi ko nga kanina medyo mahangin kaya naka-jacket ako. Sorry, ito na.
Mommy, give me a juice.
Of course.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Okay, do you want me to throw that so you can both?
No, I have an idea.
What is it? What's your idea?
Madison.
One! Madison won!
No, I won.
Barry won! Udo.
No, I won.
Barry second winner!
No,
Barry
he's
second
loser. We need to get the ball.
Ooh.
No, I won.
Got it. I got it. No, You go to the kitchen. Come on. No, no. Aray! No. Kinukuha niya yung bola sa akin. No. Hi, Asma. Hi there. Hi there. Madison, you want a drink? Can give you cold water. Hello, baby. Come on. That's it, just now on.
I like snails.
Ate John! John, move! Come on, Bear. Come. Give me the ball. See? Bear just looking at you and like, what you doing, human? Why are you lying on the ground?
I lie on the ground, though.
So, what you doing? That's my job.
I keep becoming a sexy dog.
Come to mommy now, Bear. Come. Bear, come. Come on. You are really distracting him. Oh, come on. Give me the ball. John, you need to stop kneeling, anak. Now he's tired of you. Stop annoying Bear. Aw, come to mommy. Come to mommy. Put it down. Come on, Bear. Gotcha. Bear, stop trying to take that ball. Ayaw ibigay yung bola. Well, if you've got a treat, he said, if you got a treat, I will give it to you. I don't have a treat. So, if you got a treat, I will give it to you. Now I'm gonna give it to you. See? It's like, oh no, I'll just give it to you. You need it even. You need it more than me. That's it. I'll give you the ball. I'll give you the ball now, mister. Now I'm tired. John, stay away from his bum. Are you tired? You're panting, anak. You're panting. Panting. They're tired.
It looks like the ball is just floating in his mouth.
Doesn't want to go. Well, you go. That's it.
No, I like it like this.
Oh,
No!
see, he's being silly. What is that for?
No, I like bear beans.
You want to give it to me, but I think you want a treat. Oh, Bear, stay away from John. You just no stepping on John. You're too big, you silly dog.
Oh my God, why?
Anak ko, ketamat. Stop lying on the ground. Talaga tong batang to, oh. Madison there, watching the iPad.
My iPad.
Yep. And Barry's here. Barry. Halata namang pagod siya. Dahil mainit, madali siyang mapagod. Don't do that, John. He's gonna bite you. Don't do that. Don't do that. He'll not like it, okay? Okay, bye-bye na. Maglilinis na ako ng window. Bye. Don't fight, guys, ha? Do not fight. It's gonna smell your bottom. Like, what's that smell from you, human? Terry. Terry.
He's winking.
Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Sige, ayaw bitawan ng bola. Maglinis na nga muna ako ng bintana. Marami akong lilinisin.